Hello everyone. So I will start by saying the most important thing is life itself. The very nature of life is beautiful. There is a lot of things that we can really appreciate. But when we see some stories, especially when I today saw the story of Sushant Singh Rajput, I had tremors. I was shocked, like everybody was. But I understood one thing. So this happened, right? People will feel bad. People will remember him. But everybody forgets the reason why it happened now. People will have views about why suicide is bad. People will have views about why it was justified. People will have reasons for everything. But at the end of the day, what we take out from this story is really important. We should take out one thing, that depression is a real thing. We see physical health. डायबिटीज से तो दिखेगा भाई ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. थायराइड है तो ये हो रहा है. ठीक है. कोविड है तो ये भाई ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. But with suicide or with depression, you never know. You cannot see that in the face of that person. He was on his high. He got everything that people wished for: fame, desire, money, good movies. I remember one of his interview where he said that he's so excited that he cannot sleep even for 4 hours. He used to sleep only 3.5 or 4 hours. He went to a doctor and doctor said it's completely normal for some people. He was so excited with life. When he talked, passion came out of his mouth like anything. He was such a passionate person. Now I'm seeing the documents about he being diagnosed with depression. Unfortunately, people don't know about it. Be it normal thyroid, be it normal, any normal disorder, people knows about it because they can see it. Certain things as real as depression, which can take away our life, people never understand it. It's difficult even for people like us, me, everyone, because we can't see it. We have seen so many lives being claimed because of this particular thing. Now it's a high time that we really talk to people we are close to, really open our hearts out. And again, I repeat, the most important thing in life is life itself. कितनी भी कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो, लाइफ तो बितानी है. हर एक को अपना काम जो है वो करना है. People have, like, my view is he gone, right? He carried such a legacy. But what next now? Tomorrow there will be some other news. Day after tomorrow there will be some other news. Negativity is all around. What to do then? How can we overcome this? What's the one thing that we are lagging? See, we have to understand that we cannot take this piece of life for granted, right? We have to understand that every moment is really, really important for us. Every moment when we feel sad, disappointed, frustrated, we have to look ourselves. कि ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ? I have to see my state. कि भाई what's wrong with me? What is the one thing that is making me struggle so much? You have to work on it. Life is about working, right? We have taken so much from the environment, the people around us, negatives, positives. But it's always like brain always multiply and adds the problems, the fears. That's what we need to conquer. It's just difficult. You cannot say in and conquer it. The habits that we have built is not so easy to actually give it off. It's disappointing, it's really, really sad. But depression is a real thing. It really takes a lot of effort to come out of it. And we have to feel gratitude in life. That's what it is, right? Today is a struggling time. Today is a time that we don't know the certainty of anything. What is going to happen, what is not going to happen. Real, we can say, disaster which has happened. I just hope the superpower gives us strength and everything that we want. The strength within ourselves, the strength that we hold. We just love ourselves and we just get the brain or we just get the thinking of overcoming things. Thank you so much.